Meaning of dendrochronologist.
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 Dendrochronologist. A dendrochronologist is a scientist who studies the annual growth rings of trees in order to analyze and understand their growth patterns, as well as to date events that have affected the tree's growth. By examining the thickness, color, and wood density of the rings, dendrochronologists can determine the age of the tree and the environmental conditions it has experienced over time. This information can be used in a variety of fields, including climate science, archaeology, and forestry. In short, a dendrochronologist is an expert in the interpretation of tree rings as a way of understanding past climates and environmental conditions.